Hey guys, Mike at Connecticut Auto Lock. We've got another video about the RW4, a cool feature that I'm not sure if everyone's familiar with, that really kind of sets it apart from other inexpensive equipment. What I'm doing today is I have a key for an Acura, and I've decoded the key with the Futura machine and gotten a key code out of it. The code is 5262 for the cuts. And now what we're going to do is take this key and put it in the RW4, and we're going to save it into memory for future use. So we're going to go down to identification, insert original key, and we're going to read it. So you can see that that's a 13 chip. It's asking if you want to copy it onto a T5. So we're going to press enter, and right here you can see that the chip is a 13. And 01 is the number in the RW4 that it wants to save this key at. So you can save 100 key information, 100 different keys into the RW4's memory. So this will save as key number 1 when you press enter. And there you can see key memorized. The advantage to this now, I have a key code that describes the cuts, and I have the transponder information memorized into the RW4. Should a customer ever lose this key, I can cut it back to code, insert a clonable key into the machine, and program a new key without the car being there, and hand it to him, and he should be good to go. We're going to do that in a little bit, and I'll show you the second half of this video, how to finish up cutting and programming this key. All right, we're back here at the RW4 machine now. We're going to program that memorized key onto a clonable key. This situation has a lot of uses too. We all know the guy who loses a key every few months. We're back there making more keys for his car. Fleet customers that have cars keyed alike and transponders programmed alike, for fleet keys that you can always cut and program a spare without the cars or vehicles actually being. There's a lot of different uses you might do with this. So we saved the last key as key number 1 in the RW4. So now we're going to take an HD 106 PT5, which is the clonable version of the HD 106 PT. You could also write right to a chip and insert it in a shell yourself. I just happen to have this one here. So we're going to put the blank key in. If we go down to Archive, and we're going to look up key position 01 is what we saved this as. And there's our information off the key. It was a Megamos 13 chip, saved in spot number 1, and there's all of our information. So we're going to press enter. Now it says insert a blank T5 key, which we have done. So the T5 key is in, and if we select right, do you want to make more copies? We're going to press no. We do not want to make any more copies. And that's it. This key is written now. So if we put this ID in, back out to the main menu, go down to identification. We're going to read this key. And press enter. And there's our data that's on the key. It's exactly the same as the first one. Now all I've got to do is cut this key to code, hand it to the customer, and he's out of here, and I never even saw the car. Big advantage to the RW4. Thanks for watching.